Hello, my name is Ferhon Hizkias, and I'm doing a project on how much gun regulation affects the US and why gun violence still happens. So my project overview is the fact that I must find out the issues that gun violence has brought to America and what people think about it. I also have to show the amount of money spent and how some states rank in the US. Lastly, I show some interesting facts about gun violence. The government's affiliation in pro-gun laws causes lack of regulation on gun violence. The budget of this problem is $1.4 trillion per year as of 2021, and about 85% of people that I surveyed think it's an important issue. In my survey, out of the 7 people I talked to, 6 thought this was a major issue, as 6 and above was considered a major issue. They generally believe that specifically in Texas, and also more southern states, the issue was easy accessibility to guns. The people that I talked to said 6, 7, 10, 10, 5, 7, and 8. The statistics. Texas may be 28th per capita in gun deaths, but it leads in number of gun deaths per state. Contrary to popular belief, Texas has one of the lowest per capita deaths in the South, as most states have a higher per capita. But Texas has much more people in it, which leads to there being much more deaths. Texas, compared to someone like Louisiana, has nearly half the per capita of Louisiana, but places like Hawaii, with especially low deaths per capita, have maybe a third or a fourth of Texas death rates, so we have a long way to go. In Texas, you don't need a permit to have a gun. Owning a gun is a little bit more complicated, but to have a gun, you don't need a permit. Laws on guns are generally looser in the South and in Republican states, as one of the Republican core beliefs is that you should be able to defend yourself via owning a gun. Texas's rates of death via guns have massively increased recently, leading it to have the second highest number of deaths from school shootings, only below California, yet it has the most total deaths, as stated earlier. My work cited. I have a few articles cited that I'm not going to list here because they're they're links, and you'll see them in the PowerPoint, but I have 10 works cited. Thank you for listening to my presentation.